What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today, the Lord has blessed us with a beautiful day to do some cutting, to cut some limbs down. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. But I have a few things that need to be cut, particularly this bush over here. Well, it's not a bush, it's a tree that's just all matted together. And this over here. These two areas right here I want to cut, and I'll put on the pile there to be burned later. So let's get to it. So this is where we are right now. It shouldn't be complicated. See how everything's just so matted together? I mean, it's just a crazy web of limbs and things of that nature. I want to clean this up. Now, I've asked before if anybody knows what kind of trees these are. I don't know the name of them, but they can get quite interesting, as you can see. Just so you know, I did a video on this piece of machinery, just kind of testing it out. Well, not testing it out, but doing a review on this. This is the Worx battery operated chainsaw. It's, I want to say 10-inch blade. Yeah, you can see right there, 10-inch blade. And yeah, this is my little baby right here. It's lightweight. I'm not sure of the poundage, but how much it weighs, but it's lightweight, 20-volt battery, and it cuts good. It really does. So I'll be using this bad boy one-handed. Ah. All right, let's see. Let's go here. These trees are very dry too. They break very easy. See what I'm saying? They break very easy. Let's see here. This is about an inch and a half diameter right here. See? I mean, this tree is alive. I mean, it's alive. It's not dead. Oh boy, where is you? There you are. There you be. This is actually the main culprit right here. They're not heavy trees. It's almost, they're lighter than what you would expect. Like an oak or a maple or just a regular tree. I mean, their limbs tend to have some type of weight to them. These, on the other hand, it's almost like they're made out of they're not made out of a cork, but it's almost like they're made out of a cork. I mean, it's just kind of a weird, different type of tree. And we got them all scattered all over. So, and yeah, they're easy to lay down. The root systems aren't deep. They're not heavy trees. They're just an interesting tree. A very interesting tree. I mean, they're kind of cool looking because they, do a lot of weaving and stuff like that. But at the same time, they multiply very rapidly, very quickly. Or let's just say they grow very fast. I'll say that. I don't want to get rid necessarily of all of them. I just want them to, let me show you. If you look, this is what I like. If you look at this tree right there, it's the same type of tree. But if you notice, it's going up. It still has this funky stuff going, but it's going up. It's not laying all down in the ground and matted all down in the ground. You can't cut across, around it. This is what I want. That is what I don't want. You see, so that has to be cleared. All this has to be cleared because that's not what I want. All right, I pretty much have all this nipped in the bud. Just a few cuts, done. Because those trees, they can get matty with a bunch of leaves, limbs, and vines. Oh, you get a vine in there? Oh, Lord, you talk about a headache. Because it gets woven in there like a nap. And it's a pain in the butt. But, yeah. All that's pretty much done. Now I want to maybe pull out that matty stuff right in there. I'll finish cutting all this stuff right in here. Cutting that out. And just keep working around. So that's what I'll do. Let's grab this one right here. Make sure I don't get stuck by anything. These stickers or these thorns can be like an inch long on these things. And they catch you by surprise because they're not all over the place. There we go. Got you. Got you. Now, I have 1.9 acres. I'm not all too sure, to be honest with you, what an acre actually looks like. But I'm thinking we're using maybe, I don't know, a half an acre maybe? Maybe an acre. We may be using an acre, and there's an acre that's all just trees that we're not using. And my goal is to clear this out, not all the way, have trees in there, but just to clear it out so we can walk through it and just, you know, do whatever needs to be done through it. And maybe push the line back some so we can continue growing like apple trees and pear trees and things of that nature. But there has to be some clearing out before all that happens. So I'm gonna pull a few more pieces of this mess out, and then I will speed up the camera so you guys can get a good view of what's taking place. If you're interested in purchasing a Worx chainsaw, I will add the link in the description. I will also paste at the end the tag of me reviewing this piece of machinery. Okay, that's about as high as I'm going. I can't reach no higher than that. And I don't wanna, I mean, I could get that one right there. And that one right there. All right. But that's about as high as it's gonna be. All right, look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. You have to excuse me. I gotta get some stuff out of my shoes, out of my boots. Done. I mean, there's still a lot of stuff in there that I need to hit. My thought is, if I can't see through it, it needs to go. I want to be able to see through what's going on. That's what I want to be able to do. See through it. If I can't see through that, it's got to go. It's got to go. Because I don't know what's in there. I don't know what could be in there, what could be hiding in there. You know, it's just got to go. Oh, boy. Okay. So we got it good. We got it real good. I'm liking that. I'm really liking that. I'm going to stop today. You know, just a little bit, baby steps, little at a time, little at a time, little at a time. But I'm going to stop today. I think the next time I hit in here, it's going to be that tree right there. Of course, well, to be honest with you, I can wait because that is pretty much cleared, but I'm going to knock that out eventually. But I guess the next thing is to get all those branches that are laying down right in here and to get all that thick stuff in there and get all that nipped in the bud, which shouldn't take long, I'm thinking. I mean, it didn't take long for this, you know. I'll wait on this over here because I was gonna get that right there, but I'll wait on, if y'all can see it, because the sun is kind of glaring. But I'll wait on that. I'll hold off on that, little by little. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm happy. I'm pleased. I am pleased. I am very pleased. So let's go ahead, put the chainsaw up, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up there, walk back down here, and then walk up and video myself walking up, so you guys think I walked a long way to do what I did. But it ain't that long, to be honest with you. Oh, what a beautiful day. I ain't got nothing for y'all. Y'all got any eggs for me? Yes, you do, too, I might add. Wonderful. Great job. Wonderful. I'll take these. Nice doing business with you guys. Yes. I might cook these up when I get in the house. Yes. Hey guys, thank you guys for taking the time out your day to check out this video. Make sure you subscribe, tap the like button, hit the bell icon, and it's a beautiful day. Ooh, I'm a little tired. Whew.